Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a very nice sunny evening in here in Surrey, and today I wanted to talk to you about my bike. You're all I guess familiar with my NC750. That's Honda NC750, which you would have seen my videos for NC500 actually in Scotland. But today I want to introduce you to my new addition to my collection. This is Yamaha Virago. It's quite an exciting bike actually to ride, so let me just give you a bit of a walk around first of all to see what it's got. It's fairly clean in its condition actually. Looking at its just going around, it's basically in a stock condition, and everything that you see came with, apart from this the rare what do you call that, rack and the sort of seat rest which I have added, but otherwise it's in a fairly stock condition. It's got the stock exhaust, which it's a nice decent sort of shape, and this is 535 by the way. Viragos come with a number of engine sizes, but this one is 535. And how many mileage, what sort of mileage? It's got about 14,000 miles on it, which is not a lot really for these Japanese bikes, and it's fairly old one. This is a G-Reg, so it makes it 1990 model, but to be honest with you, looking at the condition, you cannot judge its age. So I am looking forward to actually going around, a lot of Surrey roads and maybe far beyond, but I just wanted to introduce today with what I have collected. There are some small mods which I want to do, so we'll talk to you about those in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.